So it's episode 3 of our Bronco Raptor build. We're gonna be installing some awesome lighting from Oracle Lighting, starting with these mirror lights. So we'll be installing these quick LED mirror lights onto here. First off, we're taking off this mirror and not breaking it. Yeah. I'm very cautious, man. This thing is a sketch. Awesome about guys like you know how to put just enough pressure to not do something, you know, like that far. Taking this off and then we'll be feeding this wire. This actually pops off. Like that. First off, we gotta feed this thing through, and that's a... Dude, how do you feed this through here? That's insane. No wonder you're like, what the hell? How did you, what did you do? What was the secret? You just... A little gentle push. So there are 2 screws that go from the inside out. Hold the new mirror cap in place. Make sure to plug everything back in and then get your mirror on. The Ford would make it easy and make these a little bit longer. I have so much to say to the Ford engineers now after doing all this. So we got our Oracle mirror lights on. Next up, we got our Oracle rock lights. So whether you're crawling at the dirt or crawling the mall, we'll be ready to rock. Here we go. So these Oracle rock lights are really bright. Don't look right at them. We'll be installing them, coupling them into the wheel wells as well as underneath the Bronco. And the cool thing about this is we get different color options too, and they look really, really good. So we're gonna get these on and then show you guys the full thing here in a second. So we'll be dropping these wheel well liners to install the rock lights. We made a couple markings to know where we're gonna install them, and then we're dropping this down and gonna get it in. If you guys want to know how a drop-in air filter works, So next up, we're installing the air filter from K&N. Hopefully it just pops right out. There we go.
Oh man, look at that.
So clean. But look at the difference. Yes. Hard cool. Technically, we're supposed to fully make this thing out, but we're just gonna slide this in. Like so. Make sure it's in all the way. And then clamp that down. You're good to go. Now that we got the air filter installed, we're going to install the Ford Performance Parts oil air separator and get a bracket going and get all the hoses installed.
Yep, exactly.
There we go. A little bit of pressure and just pop it off. So bend this in here. This.
You need help?
This is this. All right.
All right, Brett. Come on, Mr. Muscles.
Do we break?
Yeah.
Okay.
Ditto, brother.
Push. Thanks so much for watching. Be sure to follow along for part 3 as we continue to build this Bronco Raptor for Dream Giveaway.